Hey guys, welcome back. David D here from the Get a Clue Classroom. And in this class, we're going to be talking about content marketing full circle. Okay? And what that basically means is that content that you create is going to go full circle from the start to the end. Okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right, first of all, the easiest way to do this is to draw a circle. And then you want to have a starting point. Okay, we're going to say right there is our starting point. And over here is going to be, your starting point is going to be an idea that you want to convey, a topic for discussion. Now, being on social media, you want the discussion to go a little bit more than one reply. You want some engagement and a conversation. And then the next point you want to do, after you get the idea, after you research and finding out what people are looking for in your market, in your niche. Okay, next what you want to do is develop a script for the topic, okay, or the idea. And so what you're going to do is, now you've done all your research, you got your idea down, now you're going to start laying it out into a script form. Okay, the next thing you want to do is record. Now this is for creators. This is a good tip. I'm trying to, in my own business, I'm trying to organize what needs to happen step by step so I can teach other people that are, working with me. I say, look, okay, I'm going to focus on this, and you're going to focus on these other things. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. So now you want to record. Now this could be audio or video. I love video. It's easier to tell a story. It's easier to get your point across, I believe. Next is your post editing. So if you have video editing software, I happen to use Sony Vegas because I have Windows, and a lot of people poo-poo that. You can also get Final Cut. I've tried that before on a MacBook. It's cool. It's got similar features, but some of those features you just don't need right away. Anyway, so that's post editing. This is video production. You produce it, you render it. Rendering takes a long time, guys. So if you think that your computer is stuck and you're, it's just taking forever, especially if you're recording in HD, rendering is going to take a long time. So add that to your process and your time. Okay, next. You're going to take the final video and then you're going to have that transcribed. Okay, so what I have Dragon software, natural speaking software. So what's happening now is I'm testing out right now, believe it or not, it's dictating on a WordPad what I'm talking about, so I don't have to go back and have it done. But the cool thing about this software also is that you can make a WAV file or an MP3 file, and it will decipher the language from that file. Okay, so if this doesn't work out where my pad is dictating because I'm recording at the same time, then I'll just save it as a WAV file, because WAV files happen to be more concise and less compressed than an MP3. If you get an MP3 with a transcribe software, sometimes what happens is it skips words and doesn't pick it up. Okay, so once it's transcribed, then you're going to upload. I'm going to put this inside the circle. You're going to upload your videos to social media. Okay, now I'm trying to get my YouTube channel going. So I would be doing YouTube, Facebook, Twitter to let people know that it's out, LinkedIn because of business people, and a few others. Okay, but 4 in one shot is pretty good for the first day. Then you can add more during the week. All right, next, once that's done, you take your transcription and you put it over onto your blog post. Now, I'm assuming that you have your own website so that you can put your own speech on there, your own thoughts, your own discussions, and you could post whatever you want because you own that domain. So then you take your transcription and you add it to your blog. And it's just cut and paste. So you're adding your the text and your video from YouTube or wherever. Okay, you can share this. I'm sure Facebook has a way to embed videos. I don't do a lot of videos on Facebook as of yet. Okay, next. Your last one is sharing. You want to share it to people, that you believe are going to get a lot out of this, okay? So let's go through it again. You got your idea and your topic for discussion. Okay, you're going to put that into script form. It could just be 100 words. All right, 100 words is about a minute, 60 seconds, maybe a minute 10. Put it out on a script form, lay it out. Then record either audio or video. If you're going to do audio, I recommend some slideshows, whatever, or using Camtasia or screen capture. All right, so you're going to record or do videos. Next, you're going to edit the video itself in your video editing software. You can also do that up in YouTube as well. You can do some editing on YouTube. Next, you go over to render. You have to render it. Now, if you're doing that on YouTube, that's going to take a long time as well. When you're done rendering it, then you go to transcribing what you said over here. Okay? Then you want to upload. You want to post it on your blog. And then you want to share it. Okay? And that's the content marketing in full circle, okay? Anyway, I hope you got a lot out of this. There's going to be more to come as the classes. I mean, I've got so much information that I can share with you. But, sometimes I feel like people aren't interested. They're already getting too much. But if you're interested in this type of style where I can just draw it out, map it out for you, then I'll be happy to do that. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's called the Get a Clue Marketing Show on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to the GetAClueMarketingShow.com. If you're interested in getting some free classes, go over to the GetAClueClassroom.com. And when you go over there, you'll have an opportunity to get 21 online classes, okay? So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.